It's this beautiful moment, because what we see here with regards to humankind's notion of personhood is that it's a corporate personhood. Is that to understand what it means to be a human person isn't simply to be a unique individual surrounded by all these other unique individuals made in the same way, but rather we are in a sense incomplete. We can't even name who we are. We have no identity if we are not in a relationship to another human person. This one at last, bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh. Notice, he names this one precisely in the way in which he's going to name the animals. This one shall be called woman, the Hebrew. Isha, also a word that's used for wife. Or from man, ish was this one taken. It's a beautiful moment, because now what you see is in the act of naming this other human being across from him, only then can he actually name himself as a separate identity. Because it's really not a separate identity. They're bound to one another. The very notion of personhood here is found here in this relationship. From Isha, only once that's named can I actually now have an understanding of myself. And so this begins to stake out what the human to the human relationship is. What we'll find here is it's also a disruption in the divine and human relationship.